Hello everyone, welcome to the social media strategy for Starbucks. We are going to be going over the strategy for the next 6 months, and so let's just jump right into it. So we are going to start with the why, what, and how, or with everything that we're doing. So the why is we want to inspire and nurture the human spirit, and the what behind that is we're going to be selling coffee and pastries and other beverages, specifically non-caffeinated beverages, to our customers. How we're going to do that is we're going to do that one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. That is the core on who we are as Starbucks, and this gives us such a great focus for our content strategy. Our business objectives. Currently 36% of our US population does not drink coffee. So they are not regular Starbucks customers because they don't know that we have non-caffeinated drinks. So we are going to increase awareness, and we are going to also trial some coffee-free drinks here at Starbucks. And here is how we're going to do it. Some SMART goals that we have. Increase sales of caffeine-free drinks by 25% for the month of October. Post 5 interactive stories. We're going to be utilizing engagement as far as polls, some questionnaires, some sliders on Instagram, while also double posting that onto our Facebook as well. We're going to be doing that for each day for the month of October. We're also going to be creating that exclusive feel on our Facebook. We're going to be offering weekly coupons, 2 a week, for caffeine-free drinks to those who follow us there all of the month of October. So, and who are we going to be doing this with? It is going to be with our audience. One of our audience personas is our sweet friend Jen. So, Jen is a single female, ages around 20 to 30. She is a major hiker. She loves the outdoors. She's also a passionate dog mom. Look at her cute little dog right there. She works remotely, and she also lives along the Rocky Mountains. She does have a college education, and her household income is about $65 per year. Along with this, she loves puppuccinos. She loves being able to go to Starbucks and get a puppuccino for her sweet dog Benji, and she loves posting those photos, whether that's like her outdoors or Benji having a puppuccino. So that's Jen. Next, we have a Brian. Brian is incredible. So he is a male, and he's 20 to 40 years old. He's single. He lives in a metropolitan area. He has a generous following on Instagram, and he's always going to brunch with his friends on Tuesdays. His demographics also include a college education, and he makes $95 per year. He's also major family oriented and a big morning person, which requires some coffee there. He also loves Instagram, loves posting and interacting on that platform. So we are going to start our campaign with the main thought that at Starbucks, the Jens and the Brians of the world should expect more than coffee. Our customer experience isn't merely like a mindless, you come in, you get your drink, and you leave. Rather, we are family. We connect. We know Benji. We've taken pictures of Jen and Benji with their puppuccinos and with their drinks. We embrace and we connect with everyone. One person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. So, how are we going to engage with our customers and the future customers? It really says a lot about us, about how we do this. So we will, as you can see on this slide here, produce and share videos of customers who have met here at Starbucks, specifically talking about their favorite drinks and how they met thanks to our company. We will also provide infographics to help break down the uncaffeinated drinks, because that's our goal, to really bring those up into to people's minds, to make sure that they know that that is an option. There's also going to be some how-to videos to help show customers how to change the way that they coffee. We are also going to start with 2 big ideas. We believe the best way to promote our non-caffeinated beverages is going to be starting with the hashtag more than coffee. This goes right in hand with our value proposition of expect more than coffee. With this, we encourage others to connect with us and participate with the world and everybody in the community that is Starbucks. And people are connecting all over the world, and they do it over food. So why not make it Starbucks? We are also going to be sharing some behind the scenes of how our refreshers and other drinks are made, specifically hot chocolates because that season's coming right up. We will also boost awareness by providing infographics, like we said before, on how these are just as good, if not better, than coffee. Our key message, it's not just what we offer that makes us great. It's the people. We connect and inspire because we are more than coffee. We are more than what we eat. But we keep these key messages at our core, okay? Because our campaign is here to create a lasting presence of connection with our audience. So some mediums and some different channels and KPIs that are going to help us make this a reality is with Jen, we focus our efforts on our app, Facebook, and our email lists. We promote our products through engaging storytelling, some videos, some photographs. This draws Jen in. She connects that way. We're also going to make sure that each post that we have has a call to action to learn more or even purchase our product. Next, when it comes to Brian, he is our Instagram guru. He loves it. He's on every day and he has a steady following. We maximize our efforts here by posting short videos known as Reels and or on our stories. We can also link those to our YouTube for longer form content. This content is going to be centered around the stories of those who expect more than coffee. Furthermore, we continue using call to actions that get Brian's attention to want to share his own story. Next, we're going to be going over what does this journey even look like. For Jen, she is on Facebook. She's our Facebook gal. Our ads and campaign for our More Than Coffee will expand across countries. Her friends will participate. She watches the video. The next step is for her to download our app. But from there, she sees a pop-up that says to try some refreshers or hot chocolate or More Than Coffee options. She considers this and decides to learn more. And then when she does, she decides that she wants to make an in-app purchase. Next, when we have Brian, it's a little bit different. He finds the campaign of our employees being more than coffee, hashtag more than coffee, through a friend. Again, he goes to brunch every Tuesday with his friends, and they happen to tell him about this because we're gaining traction. After watching the video, he decides that he is going to purchase within the Starbucks app. He's already downloaded it and is going to try out the new hot chocolate. He then posts his own story of More Than Coffee, and he shares that with his followers and his friends. Okay, so with all of that, our timeline that we have is over the period of 6 months. That total cost of the campaign, as you can see right here, is $7,450,000. Our total revenue is going to be $170,800,000. Not only will the revenue increase, but we estimate that our Facebook followers are going to increase by 122%. Additionally, our Instagram will increase by 128%, and I personally love this one, our app downloads will increase by 200%. You can also find the full estimates in the link within our agenda, and or I have some printouts available up here for you as well. Also, how are we going to even meet those estimates, right? We'll be posting 3 times per week on the social medias, which includes Facebook and Instagram. We'll also be keeping up on our app by posting new specials every week. All apps will be monitored carefully and everyone will be responded to. We have a very thought out content calendar here for you. I have some copies up here, or again, you can look in the agenda. Now, to really visualize what this is going to look like, we have created some mock-ups for you. This one specifically is a video that goes over some ornaments that they can purchase along with their Starbucks drinks. The caption would say something like, "'Tis the season for gathering and remembering those who we love most. Get your ornament and hot beverage via our app." These channels could be something like Facebook and YouTube, maybe with something with a longer form content with that one. This persona is great for Jen because she's on Facebook quite a bit. Additionally, we just want to make sure that we keep in mind that she is like outdoorsy, so we want to make sure to tailor to that as well. Next, we have our More Than Coffee campaign for Brian. We will share this on our app and our weekly emails. We share it within our caption, as in with this one. We are more than coffee. This year, we have so many of you who give back and share your stories. We are excited to see what our Starbucks community does next. Donate for a Red Cup Day on the 18th of December via our app. Hashtag Connect to Starbucks, hashtag Expect More. Again, this one is for Brian. This is a great way to supplement our hashtag of Connect at Starbucks, Expect More Than Coffee, etc. This will not only get exposure to our previous videos of employees and customers who are using that hashtag More Than Coffee, but it also drives them to download the app and increase our sales and downloads. So that is what we have for the next 6 months, and we are extremely confident and thrilled for this opportunity to bring hashtag More Than Coffee to our consumers. Thank you so much for your time.